Evening, so we raced Mildenhall on Saturday just gone. Decent meeting, good results overall. Third in the final, so happy with that. Rest of the meeting, positions could have been better, but it is what it is. Really pleased for Guy Jolly winning the Brian Jolly Memorial. It's about time he got it, so yeah, massive well done to Guy. Really pleased for him. And yeah, so we're on now with tarmac car for Buxton. I've got to say a really big thank you to my dad, who's been up. I think he came up before we left for Mildenhall, we cut the bumper lengths, and he's cracked on and welded it up and got it literally on the car and nearly ready. So yeah, thanks Dad for that, because we're out of time if it wasn't for that. So awesome job there. Tarmac car obviously needs a bit more work. Back to the same old story. We need to put the steering box off the other car on it. We need to put the carbs on. Yeah, so yeah, same old. But no, I'm going to do a bit of tyre prep, move some tyres around, and get us ready for the weekend. So here we go again. So Friday night, looking a bit more like it. My dad's done all the front bumper on it. Wing frame together because the wing was moving around a little bit at Skeg as we were moving around. So
to be able to see it on top of that white thing. No,
So there we are, loaded up once again, ready for Buxton tomorrow. Yeah, it's been a busy-ish week on the car. Massive thank you to my dad because I think he's done most of the work this week. Because I've not been here, but yeah, a few more bits to button up on the truck, turn the truck around, and we're ready to go tomorrow. So hopefully we'll have a good meeting. And we'll just see how things go, really. It's Dave Axson Memorial, so looking forward to normally a good race. And I'm hoping there's a few faces back out. I think Evan's got a brand new car out tomorrow, which is good to see. He's finally finished it, and it looks really smart. So glad to see how that goes. So that's it, really. We're ready to rock and roll, and we'll see how we fare this weekend. Subscribing at the bell if you want to keep up to date with how we're getting on. I know these videos are falling a little bit behind the season. We'll see how much footage we got to, if I can do something with it. Yeah, hit the bell icon and see how we're getting on through the year, and so you're updated all the time. Drop us a like. Thanks to all the people that are liking and commenting on the videos already, because well, it looks good to me. I don't know whether it's probably nothing in the wider span of YouTube, but to me, it looks pretty good when I got 27 odd likes and everything else. So thanks to all you for, thanks to everyone for keeping up with the sport. And if you do, go through to the Facebook page, Team 288, John Brown Team 288 on Facebook, and follow us on there. You get all the up-to-date results on the day at the time of, live, basically, at the meeting. So, yeah, me and my dad are just going to finish putting in the truck up, turn it around, and we'll be off to Buxton. So we'll see you there.